Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most beautiful, expensive, and breathtaking luxury homes in the United States. Today's tour is very special because we are going to see not just one, but two stunning multi-million-dollar houses located in two different states. Both homes have incredible designs, modern architecture, and luxury features that most people only dream about. Make sure you watch until the end and tell us in the comments which house you like more. Let's start the tour. We begin with a cinematic drone view showing this incredible luxury mansion from above. The house looks absolutely stunning with its modern architecture, huge glass windows, and beautiful black and golden exterior design. The long driveway leads to a grand entrance, giving this home a true millionaire lifestyle feeling. As we move closer to the main gate, you can see the large metal entrance with modern design and luxury lighting. The landscaping around the house is perfectly done, with palm trees, green grass, and stylish outdoor lights that make the house look even more expensive. Now we walk inside the home. The entrance hall is massive, with a beautiful marble floor and a tall ceiling. Right above us is a huge chandelier shining with golden light. The black and gold color theme gives the house a royal and elegant look. The staircase design is modern and stylish, with glass rails and golden details. Next, we move into the living room. This living room looks like something from a movie. There is a huge modern sofa, a large wall with a big TV, and beautiful LED lighting everywhere. The walls have marble texture and golden lines that make the room look very rich. The windows are very big, allowing natural light to come inside and making the space feel open and bright. Now let's check the kitchen. This kitchen is designed in modern luxury style with black cabinets, golden handles, and a large marble island in the center. The lighting under the cabinets makes everything shine. This is the kind of kitchen you see in celebrity homes. There is also a lot of space, making it perfect for big families or parties. Next, we go to the dining area. The dining room has a long luxury table with many chairs. Above the table is a beautiful chandelier that matches the black and gold theme of the house. The walls have modern design patterns, and the whole room looks very elegant and expensive. Now let's see the garage. This garage is not a normal garage. It is big enough for multiple luxury cars. You can imagine cars like Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, or Ferrari parked here. The floor is clean and shiny, and the lighting makes it look like a showroom. Next, we go to the master bedroom. This bedroom is huge and very comfortable. There is a king-size bed, modern lights, and a big window with an amazing view. The black and gold design continues here, making the room look stylish and relaxing at the same time. Now we check the bathroom. This bathroom looks like a 5-star hotel spa. There is a large bathtub, glass shower, and marble walls. The golden fittings make everything look very expensive. This is the kind of bathroom that makes you feel like you are living in a luxury resort. Next, we visit the home gym. The gym has modern equipment, mirrors, and bright lights. You don't need to go outside because everything you need for fitness is already inside the house. Now we go outside to the swimming pool. The pool area is one of the best parts of the house. There is a big modern pool with beautiful lights, comfortable chairs, and a perfect place to relax. At night, this place looks even more amazing with all the lighting around the house. Finally, we check the TV lounge. This is the perfect place to watch movies. There is a big screen, modern sofa, and soft lighting that makes the room feel like a private cinema. This is where you can sit, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows. This was the first luxury house. Now we move to the second home, which is even more expensive and has a price of $5.35 million. This house has a different design but the same luxury feeling. Bigger rooms, more space, and even more modern features. Both houses are incredible, but we want to know your opinion. Which house did you like more, house number 1 or house number 2? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoy luxury house tours, make sure you subscribe to American Dream Mansions and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. We post new mansion tours, dream homes, and luxury lifestyle videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next luxury tour.